Hello guys, welcome to the world of FR Clips. This is your host FRKJR and also the presented by Rakesh. This is the new clip of FRKJR, especially for the YouTubers. Get ready. So in Play Store, you should go to the Tag You application and you should install it and open the application, where you can see that it has been given a 4.5 star and rated a 3 plus and 1 million plus download. 4.5 star, you can get how great this app can be, but many of the users don't know about this app. So I would like to say about this app. This app is very simple. Yep, you should open it, tag you grow your YouTube channel fast. It is already there, where we can make our videos viral through tags. Yep, where yep, if you go to the YouTube, yep, and see, you should go to the YouTube, have patience, and you should, yeah, for example, if you can see that if you copy this link, to this where paste, yeah, so these are the tags. Through these tags, if you, for example, yeah, I have selected it and later I have selected it. So guys, if you like this video, then like it, share it, comment it, or subscribe the damn channel. So that's all. You should have to copy the tag from that Tag You application and apply the tag to your video, and if you upload it, the video will go viral. That's all. Have a yap up day. Take care.